Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for all the latest tech tutorials and tips. Today I am going to show you how to log into your Uber Eats account if you are in Canada. Whether you are looking to order your favorite meal or manage your deliveries, this guide will help you access your account with ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other browser you prefer. In the address bar, type in ubereats.com/ca and press enter. Once you are on Uber Eats Canada homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a sign in or log in button. Click on it. You will be directed to the sign in page. Here you have few options to log in. You can enter your email or mobile number linked to your Uber Eats account or use your Uber account if you have one. Enter your email or mobile number in the provided field. After that, click on next or continue button. Once you have entered your correct login credentials, you will be directed to your Uber Eats account dashboard. From here, you can start browsing restaurants, place an order, or if you are a delivery partner, manage your deliveries. And that's it. You are now logged into Uber Eats in Canada through your web browser. It's simple and straightforward process whether you are ordering food or managing your deliveries. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Logging into Uber Eats in Canada via a web browser is easy once you know where to go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.